Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm the manager here at Mona Lisa's in Bayonne, New Jersey. We recently had this beautiful retractable roof built by retractableroof.com. The opportunity that this company has given us is unbelievable. Sales have exploded and our clients love it. I have never seen anything like this ever. Like in Bayonne or anywhere in the surrounding area, I have never seen anything built like this. Like all the clients that I bring back here to preview the room, they have never, ever witnessed or seen anything. Like I said, we haven't seen anything like this. You know, the way that the vinyl collapses so clean, the lights are bright, it fills the room, the colors of all the materials, it's modern, it's great looking, it looks sturdy, it feels sturdy. You know, everything is just, it's amazing. I can't believe how this is even be able to be put together, let alone perfected in such a way. The way that this came out is unbelievable. I can't stress it enough. Installation was easy, fast, and clean. The opportunity that we have allows us to book parties and catered events all year round. Winter, summer, rain, or shine, Retractable Roof is here for us.